Hello and welcome to a video showing you how to use Onvio to share documents with third parties. We recognize that periodically you may have a need to send a tax return, or if a business is involved, financial statements to a third party. With Onvio, sharing such documents is easy, secure, and totally within your control. You create a link to the document you need to share, email that link to the recipient, and you're done. Whether you need to share financial statements or a tax return, the process is the same. So let's walk through an example of sharing financial statements. The first thing you do is log into your Onvio Portal. Once inside the portal, click on Documents to take you to the document window. Now let's assume that you're a business owner and you need to share financial statements for one of your businesses with a banker. In that case, select the business client that needs to share financial statements from the client drop-down list on the left. The next thing you need to do is to locate the folder that contains the financial statements that you want to send. Put your cursor here and notice that there is a box that pops up. It says Firm Folder View. Click next to Firm Folder View. This will allow you to see each folder that exists in your Onvio portal. You will notice that there is a folder icon sitting here in each of these places, which tells you that you are in the Firm Folder View. In this example, we are sharing the January financial statements with the bank, so I'm going to click on January Client Documents. When I do this, you will see that the documents in that folder appear in the middle of the screen. Put a check mark next to the document or documents you want to share and click Send. This will create a link to the document which you can now email to the desired recipient after entering in the following information. In this window, you'll first need to enter in the recipient's email address. And if you would like to have a record of the email that you send, click here. Next, enter in the subject matter and the recipient's name. If you have a message for the recipient, enter it here. Next, you may designate how many days can pass or weeks that can pass before the document link expires. You can choose 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. If you want to require the recipient to use a password to gain access to the documents, click here and then enter in the password. But please remember that if you require a password, you will have to independently provide that password to the recipient. The password is not generated by or communicated by Onvio to the recipient. Next, review the document list to make sure that you are sharing the appropriate documents. Once you're satisfied that you're sharing only those documents that you intend to share, click Send. And now you have emailed a link to share the requested documents. Thank you.